Airwallex has quickly established itself as a leading global fintech, and one of the key reasons for its growth is its robust focus on security and regulatory compliance. Airwallex operates under stringent regulatory frameworks across multiple jurisdictions, ensuring that its financial services meet the highest global standards. In the United States, it functions in accordance with federal and state-level financial regulations, including adherence to anti-money laundering laws and Know Your Customer protocols. These compliance measures are designed to protect both individual and business clients from fraud and financial crime. In Europe, Airwallex is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom, giving it a license to operate as an authorized e-money institution. This means that all customer funds are safeguarded and held in segregated accounts, ensuring that money is never misappropriated. Similarly, in Australia, it operates under the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, guaranteeing that its operations align with local financial regulations. Security is another cornerstone of Airwallex's operations. All transactions are encrypted using industry-standard protocols, and sensitive information is stored using advanced cryptographic methods. Multi-factor authentication is employed across accounts, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Airwallex also continuously monitors transactions in real time to detect suspicious activity, mitigating the potential for fraud before it impacts users. In addition, Airwallex undergoes regular audits and security assessments to maintain regulatory compliance and ensure operational integrity. The company invests heavily in cybersecurity infrastructure, including secure data centers and global monitoring systems. For businesses and individuals handling large volumes of international payments, Airwallex provides a platform where regulatory adherence and data security are uncompromising priorities. Ultimately, Airwallex combines comprehensive regulatory compliance with advanced security measures to provide a reliable, trusted financial platform. For businesses and global users, this commitment translates into peace of mind, efficiency, and safe handling of funds in every transaction.